Hello, my name is Andrew, and in this quick video I will teach you, show you and demonstrate you what are different order types when it comes to trading forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices or commodities. It doesn't matter if you trade on a trading view or if you trade on a MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. So let's dig in, guys. So what are the five order types? Right, so in order to make money in trading, we are basically speculating the markets and we are predicting where the market is going to go next. Up or down. That's it. So where is the price going to go next? Look at this picture. Is it going to go up or down? The thing is this, that nobody knows where the price is going to go in future. But what we can know is we can analyze the charts and we can place the order for either buy or sell. But 99% of the time, we do not place buy or sell trades like right now, okay? That's why most people are losing money. People are taking the charts, looking at setups, trying to figure out to buy or sell. No, that's not how trading works like this. You analyze charts beforehand and you place pending or pending buy or pending sell, then you go away. And whenever that trade is being triggered, you get a notification that your order is filled. That's what means order is being filled, okay? Yeah, we're getting back to the basics, guys, because I get a lot of questions from even from my members in my Telegram about this. So let's take a look. So first things first, guys, let's take a look at the trading view, okay? Let's open a trading, let's open an order. So let's right click on your mouse, then trading and create a new order, okay? And when you create a new order, trading view actually a little bit changed the layout a little bit. We have three options: market execution, limit order, and stop order. Market order is the simplest type of order. You click buy or sell and you get filled immediately, meaning that your order for buy or sell will be completed immediately. No waiting, no specific price. The current price that you see on the screen will be, you will either buy or sell your order at that price. Current price means market price. That's what means market execution. What is the risk? In fast-moving markets, you can get filled at much worse price than you eventually expected, especially during high-impact news such as NFP or FOMC. That is called a slippage. Use market orders really careful, especially when high-impact news, because high-impact news creates this crazy volatility. So if I was going to enter this gold trade now, for example, at market execution, I would enter the lot size, for example, 0.5, which is half lot, 0.05 or 0.5, let's say. And if I click buy or sell, I'm gonna either buy or sell order at this current market price that gold currently is having. Because most of the time we will use only these order types. Most of the time we will not enter the market like again right now, okay? To make money in the markets, you need to have a trading plan. And this is actually a trading plan. Knowing when to enter the market. Most of the time people just entering market, and losing money. No. So anyway, so that's why I need to learn this. So okay, so first one, what is buy limit? Order placed below the current price and the price goes up. This is an order placed below the current price. You are telling the market, I want to buy only when the price drops below this specific level, because you have identified the key support level or fair value gap or order block that is below current price, and you want to buy the dip, not chase the move. For example, gold is currently trading at 4,502, so 450203, so it's really volatile. So this is the current price, okay, you can see on the screen. This is MetaTrader 5 platform, by the way. So do I want to buy or sell right now? I don't want to buy and I don't want to sell. But what I would like to do is I would like to buy gold when it reaches this dip, this previous swing low on a 4-hour chart. So this is really strong support. I'm going to show you right now. I don't like this platform to analyze. I'll better like to analyze on a trading view. However, here it is. This is support at 4463. So I would like to buy gold at 463 only if it reaches that. So I'm gonna go here to limit order and I'm gonna say 463 and click on buy. This expiration means there's three expiration types. There's a today, specified, specific day, so you can specify how long you want this pending order to have. Remember, it's a pending order. Once I click on buy, it will only be buying this whenever price goes to my level, okay, it's 463. And then I can say, okay, how long do I want this pending order to be open, okay? And it's very important, okay? So do you want this pending order to be cancelled today or a specific date and time, okay, which is great. So you can specify exactly how long you want this open order to be open. Remember, it's not filled yet, it's just open order. GTC means good till cancel. Yes, so good till cancel. Usually you can choose this, because usually you will choose yourself, okay? You see, if you can see, if markets are volatile, kind of going up, and then you see, okay, your entry for that buy is already kind of too far away, and there's a lot of news going on, a lot of tension in the world, going on. So you don't want it to be open that long. So it's better that that you keep it long, depending on the volatility, depending on the fundamentals. But GTC basically means that it's going to cancel whenever you cancel it. So you can just open the chart and just cancel the order, okay? Just click X and that's it. So that's what limit order is. The next one is sell limit order. What sell limit order is? So sell limit order is opposite to what buy limit order is. This is an order placed above current market price. We're telling the market this: I want to sell only when the price rises to a specific level. You use this when you have identified strong resistance level or breaker block above current price, and you expect price to reject from that level. So for example, again, I can see that there is a strong resistance at 4589. So I will open an order, limit order, and place order at 4589. So 4589, and I can see it only allows me to sell. So this will be my sell limit order, which would mean that when I place this pending order, whenever price is going to go up from this point up to this level, only then the market will place my sell order. Otherwise, that order will never be placed. Next is the buy stop order. This one confuses a lot of beginners. The buy stop order is placed above current market price, above. And you are basically telling this: I want to buy, but only if price breaks above this level, because I think it's gonna keep going up from that level. Above. When do you normally would use this? You would use this when trading a breakout. Price is consolidating below the key resistance level, and you believe that when it breaks that, it should explosively go back up. So a real example will look like this. So this is 1 hour chart. Here is the previous swing high. Okay, this is the resistance right here, local resistance. So we would take a higher wick right here, and we would add a little bit more and say this: okay, 4572. If the price goes up to this level, above this level, 4572, I would expect the price could go more up. So I would open my order, stop order, and say that 4572, I will buy, and that's it. If the price goes up to this level 4572, which is a little bit above the previous local high, that will be buy order filled, because this would be like a breakout trade. If it breaks above this level, okay, I would expect the price to go more further up. Normally you would place this order, so buy stop order, normally you would place a little bit above the resistance. So only for the resistance. Look at where is your resistance, because buy stop order is for the resistance purely. If the price fails to break the resistance, okay, no trade. Let's look at 4 hour chart. This will be much better, For this we need to look at a larger time frame. So for this you can see the resistance would be actually around here, you see? Right here, between 4575 and 4590. I would add a little bit more to make sure that it breaks above that resistance, and only then my buy stop order will be filled. Okay, the last one, sell stop, okay? Of course, the sell stop is the opposite what buy stop order is. Sell stop order is placed below current market price, and you are basically telling this: I want to sell, I want to go short, I want to place sell order, but only if price breaks below this particular level and keeps falling down. Again, you use this for breakout trading only. If price is consolidating above the key support level, you believe that if the price goes and breaks that support level, that the price would go further down. So you believe that whenever the support is broken, the sell-off and it should be significant. So you would place that sell stop order just a little bit below the support. Let's take a look at real life example. Again, right here. Let me just take a look at it. So here we see that this is our really strong 4 hour support at 445. If the price breaks below that, I would expect price to go further down, right? So I would click on sell order, place at 4451, but I want to make sure that the price actually breaks below that. So I'll do this. Step number 1, identify your support level. Step number 2, place sell stop order little bit below that. So I would go a little bit right here. So where this 4436. So I would go 4436, and I'm gonna place sell. Whenever price breaks, goes to this 4436, my sale order will be filled. Otherwise, my order will not be filled, and I can cancel it anytime. These are the 5 order types. They would look really similar also on a TradingView chart. So market, limit orders, enter the price, and stop orders and enter the price. No more guessing. Now you know exactly which order to use in every situation. No more random market orders. No more chasing price. Just disciplined and structured entries, guys, that do the work for you. Please download my free ebook and also join my free Telegram below. Today in my Telegram, just from one signal, we printed $12.7 thousand in profits, and I showed you exact trading setup. And you can also contact me anytime if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Contact me anytime. I always answer my emails and my DMs every single morning. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for subscribing, and God bless. See you on the next side.